So this is how you can unlink games from Facebook. You're going to want to open up the app and then go to menu. After you're here, tap on settings and privacy until you open up this section and simply tap on settings. Now, go down until you can find apps and websites. This should be under your activity, so simply tap on that. And here you will find all the apps that are linked to your Facebook account. As you can see, I have an app called Monopoly Go that is linked, so let's simply tap on that, and we can simply remove it by tapping on remove. As you can see, it says remove Monopoly Go. This will remove all your connections between Facebook and Monopoly Go, which include logged in with Facebook. So just simply tap remove and you're good to go. That is how you can remove apps or unlink games from Facebook. Once again, all you have to do is simply go to settings, scroll down until you can find apps and websites, which is right here. Tap on that and then find the app that you're looking for and simply unlink it by simply tapping on it and then tapping on remove. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.